Wait, let me sit down well. Sorry for that. So welcome back again, family. So today I'm going to be showing you the step-by-step method on how you're going to be able to trade using the Btcdana app. And in my WhatsApp group, I was in my training group, like the training WhatsApp group I created for this Btcdana particularly. If you notice, some people are now leaving. I'm not seeing many people leaving. As I said before, it is only for interested people. I created the group for only interested people, and I'm making this video for only interested people who are ready to be making that amount of figure for themselves every single month. So if you still want to join the training group, visit the link below. You see the group link that is showing Btcdana training class. You see the link, click on it, and you'll be able to join the training class, and you'll be able to make this money for yourself through my coaching. Also, some people were finding it difficult. Some of them have not completed their KYC open. I made a step-by-step video in which that you are going to be able to complete their KYC. And also, if you haven't watched that video I posted, go and watch it right now. It is very important, because if you don't watch that video, I don't think that this particular video is for you. So just go and watch the video tutorial right now, and watch it step by step, and you will see how you'll be able to use this platform and make a lot of money for yourself. So if you have not completed your KYC, complete your KYC, and I'm still going to show you how you're going to complete your KYC in this very video right now. So I have to just to complete your KYC and input your bank details, and you'll be able to make a lot of money for yourself. Also, I shared an airdrop, which is the Go3 airdrop, and I told you that the Go3 airdrop is connected to the Btcdana app, but some of you didn't take it serious. I'm not seeing people participating in the Go3 airdrop, and I'm seeing up to 70 registrations on the Btcdana app, but not up to 10 has completed their KYC. So what's the need of registering? Isn't it better that you just leave the group and leave it for serious people than for you to complete your KYC, than for you not to complete your KYC and you're just there occupying spaces for people? Just complete your KYC and get ready to make this figure for yourself. Join the Go3 app. It will be listed soon, and it will also launch soon on Q4 according to the platform rules. So you have to join it, connect your Btcdana app, and also make money both from the BTC trading app and also from the airdrop. So all you have to do is just to join the both of them for you to make a lot of money for yourself. Subscribe to this channel if you have not done that. Like this video, share it with friends, and more people will benefit from this tutorial, like this free coaching. So more people are going to be able to benefit from it. So do well to also drop a comment below if you have any questions, or you can join the training class and ask your questions, or you can join our WhatsApp group and Telegram channel and ask your questions right there. Many people have been messaging me with different problems. How do I trade the Btcdana app? How do I do this? How do I do that? I've told them to calm down. Everything is step by step. They should just complete their KYC. Focus on the Go3 airdrop first before I drop this video. But now that I've dropped this video, if you notice, none of them have even thought about going to join the Go3 airdrop. Talk more of preparing themselves for the Btcdana app. If today you have gone for on the Go3 airdrop, just rejoice and be glad, because you're about to be making a lot of money for yourself right here on this video. So do well to stick around to the very end of this video, because I'll be showing you everything step by step on how you can be able to use the Btcdana app for it to make a lot of money for yourself. And don't still forget that I'm not a financial advisor. Everything I do or say on this channel are only for educational purposes and for entertainment only. Do not take anything I do or say on this channel as financial advice. Do your own research before you make any investment, because investments carry significant risks. This is my disclaimer, so do well to listen to that. Do your own researches. I'm not a financial advisor. I won't give you any advice financially, so everything is just based on your own accord and based on your own affordability. To the video description or the comment section, you will see the link in bio, or you can simply click on this section in which all our social media will appear. You just have to click on link in bio right now, and you will see all the links to all the paying platforms and the links to all those social medias. So once you are brought to this section, you will see all the links right here. For the platforms I'm showing you right here on this video is the Btcdana trading app and the Go3 airdrop. So for you to get started, you just have to click on the Btcdana trading and create an account, and to join the airdrop you so click on Go3 airdrop, and you will create an account and connect it together, and you'll be able to use it and make money for yourself once the airdrop release, and use the Btcdana trading to make money for yourself by trading every single day. And I believe that I've shown how you can be able to create an account, and I've shown every introduction in the first video I did right here. So if you go back to this section that is written assets, once you are brought to this section, I want to show everyone how to complete their KYC, because I noticed that many people did not complete their KYC before. So you just have to click on complete ID verification. So all you have to do is just to choose your country or your region right here, which is Nigeria for me. Then I'll input my identity card right here. I'll choose the card I want to put, which is either the identity card, international passport, driver's license, or my voters card. Then after that, I'll repeat my name right here in this section and repeat my ID number right here. Then I'll upload the photo of my ID right here on this cross, and after that I'll click on next. Once I click on next, I'll be taken to verify bank details, which is where I'll put my account details, where I'll be able to withdraw my money based on your own location, because me, I'm Nigeria, so I'll put my bank details for Nigeria. And after that, this session is written verification successful. Verification will be pending, and they will send you an email. So once your verification is successful, an email will be sent to you that your verification is successful, and you can be able to deposit and make every transaction and trade on this app. Before you can start trading, the first you have to do is just make a deposit into your account, so that you'll be able to use the deposit you make to trade. So you can choose to deposit through fiat, or you can deposit through crypto. The first one right here is the bank transfer. You can deposit by bank transfer, which is the fiat. You can deposit by PalmPay, bank transfer, TRC20, quick transfer, and all that. So you have to just choose the payment method you want and deposit your amount. And don't forget, the minimum deposit is 10 USDT. So all you have to do is just to click on that. Then you can deposit using the Bitcoin right here, or you have to activate your safety code before you can do that. So it is a very fast and easy method to do, but the fastest is depositing through fiat. So you cannot deposit by just transferring the money directly from your bank account. So right here on my assets, as can see, I currently have 1,000 US dollars, which is equivalent to 1,580,000 naira. So I'm going to show you how you can be able to trade right here. So you have to do just click on market right here. I've shown you before. You can trade forex, crypto, metals, indices, stock, which is Tesla, Apple, and Amazon, and so on. So if you come back to forex, you see you can trade different things right here, but I'm not teaching you forex right here. I want to teach you how you can be able to trade crypto. So what do you want us to be trading here? Just make a choice right here. And if you notice here, there are many fast growing markets right here. The BTC is fast growing and also fast reducing. The ETC is just stagnant. It also changes once in some seconds and all that. So right here, I'm going to be trading the BTC/USDT. So I'll just click on that, and I'm going to be taken to the market value right here. And as can see over here, if you notice, just look at the BTC graph right here. It is just going up right here. It is just going up. It's not even coming down. So I'm going to be trading BTC right here. So you can buy and you can also sell. You understand? But I don't have any BTC right now, so it's not possible for me to sell. So the only thing I'll be doing is for me to buy, since I have dollars. So I just click on buy right here. So some of you will see this position, you will see pending order. Position means if you want to buy at that moment, like you want to just buy it right now, you don't waste any time, you want to buy it right now. Then while pending order means you want to leave it for a period of time. And position is more expensive than the pending order. Position means that you want to buy it now, so it is more expensive, and they have their volume. This is their lot size: 0.01, 0.11, 2, and 5, and all that. Then this is the stop loss and take profit, and this is the margin, the fee, and all that. But I'll be using the pending order right here to show you how you can trade. So I hope everyone is understanding this. If you don't understand, go to comment section and ask me your question. I also click on pending order right here. So I'll be brought to this page. So the first you have to do on the pending order is to choose your volume right here. So I will advise you to use the 0.01 because you are still a beginner. If you decide to increase your lot size, it means that you are increasing your amount. Like for example, look at as I increase my lot size to 5, look at the amount increased. If I reduce to 2, the amount will reduce. If I reduce to 1, it keeps reducing, and 0.01 it keeps reducing. Do you understand? So it means that you have to use the lowest lot size right there, the lowest volume right there. So right now, look at the price of BTC, 106 259. So as you can see, to show you right here that the price should be lower than the current price. Look at it here. The price should be lower than the current price. So BTC is 106,200. So I'm going to be putting my BTC to be, and you know, I'm going to put my BTC to be 10600. Understand? And then these are more reasons why the pending order is very good, because with the pending order you'll be able to buy BTC at a cheaper rate. You understand? So this is the price I want to be buying my BTC at 106,000. You understand? So the next thing you're going to do is just to choose your stop loss and take profit. So you just have to turn it on. So do you know what the stop loss and take profit means? At what rate do you want me to take my money back? Stop loss means when at what rate will BTC go down and you give me back my money, while take profit means at what rate should BTC go up and give me back my money. So the stop loss right here, I'm going to put in my stop loss as right here. They gave me a suggestion that I should put my stop loss as 105,950, because right here I have 106,000 as my price I entered BTC. While my take profit, they gave me a suggestion to use it as 106,050. Understand? So this is a suggestion. They are giving me a suggestion on how much I should take my profit. And if you check right here, you will notice that BTC is currently, just look right here, I'm going to bring it down. BTC is 106,080. So just give me my profit once BTC enters 106,150 or 106,200. Understand? This is a very easy trading. If you do this, you'll be able to make a lot of money for yourself. Why you stop my loss? Although I'm not sure you ever have any loss with BTC, because BTC is just rising. So you stop my loss at 105,950 and give me back my money, while you give me my profit once BTC reaches 106,200. And now that BTC reaches 106,200, do you know what my gain will be? My gain will be 106,200 minus 106,000, which is $200. So imagine making $200 in just how many hours or how many minutes. So after that, you just have to click on buy right here, and boom, your pending order has been placed successfully, as you can see over here. So I have to just click on OK, or you can click on check order to go and check your order. So right here, if you notice, BTC just rise, like it's not even reducing at all. So let us click on this. When you click on that, you'll be taken back to the market side. Then for you to see your price, just click on trading right here, check your order. So right here, the position, there is no data, as you can see over here, but don't forget we use pending order. So you click on pending order, you will see my order right here from 106,000 to 106,185. So if you click on that, you'll be able to see my order right here. I placed my order at this time, at this date. Why? This is my take profit slash my stop loss, and this is my order number. So this is fast and easy. This is a very easy way for you to be able to make trade on this Btcdana app. And once my order is out, I'm going to make sure I share it with you on my WhatsApp group and Telegram channel, if you are right there in my WhatsApp group and Telegram channel. So this my trade is currently going. If you come back to market and let us click on BTC, you can also decide to sell by just clicking on sell. If you click on sell, it's exactly the same thing. You can choose to use the position, you can choose to use the pending order, just exactly the same as the buying. So if you have any questions, you can still share it, because the selling is still the same as the buying. But if you don't still understand it, you can still share me your questions and I will respond everything immediately. You notice that BTC is at 106,199, and me, I put my take profit at 106,200. So it means that I'm sure that I'm going to get that profit. So don't underestimate this. And I believe that as I just seen this video, they're going to come and do the same thing. And now BTC is 106,199. Just two more to enter 106,200, and I'm sure it's going to enter it. And once it enters, you're going to see that my profit will be $200. I'm going to show you that in my WhatsApp group and Telegram channel if you are there present. So this is more reason why you should join WhatsApp group and my Telegram channel. So don't forget to complete your ID verification so that you'll be able to see so that you'll be able to have more experience, better experience with the platform. And when you are trading, I advise you to trade with BTC, or unless you are a forex trader and you'll be able to trade using other forex markets based on your level of understanding, because you're a forex trader. And BTC just keep going high, and we just hope that might take profits yes there, and I'm sure that I'm going to get it, because right now BTC is at 106,172 and it's still rising. So I hope that you understood everything I said in this video. If you didn't understand, go to the comment section and ask me your question, or you can join my WhatsApp group and Telegram channel and share me your questions on that section. That was a tough one, right? I know that was a tough one. So if you have any questions, join our WhatsApp group, ask your questions there, or you can simply drop it in the comment section below and I will respond to you as fast as possible. Don't forget, use this right now. Now that I just shared it with you, I believe that you'll be able to use it for your own self. Everything does not require someone guiding you through it. I've already done my own part by giving you this tutorial, and I've also shared my experience on how I use it to make money for myself. So it's now your own turn to use it and make money for yourself. And I'm also going to drop a withdrawal whenever I'm ready to make a withdrawal. I'm still going to make a video of when I'm going to make a withdrawal anytime I'm ready for that. So don't doubt me. Everything I say here is transparent. I'm not a liar. Everything I do also on this channel, I do them out of transparency. So do well to join them now. Do well to join them now and make that a lot of figures for yourself every single month. That amount you have been wishing to make, do well to use this opportunity and make it now. Don't forget to join the training class. You will see the link to the WhatsApp group, the written training class. Just join the group right there and you'll be able to get my tutorials which I drop there even without making a video. So any other questions you have, still drop them according to the places I told you. Join our WhatsApp group and Telegram channel, like this video, subscribe to this channel, share it with friends. I'm hoping I want to be able to benefit from this amazing opportunity. If you have any questions, drop it comment section, WhatsApp group, Telegram channel, anywhere you feel like dropping them. Keep pushing, keep growing, and keep creating on cash creation clan. Remember, success is yours if you reach for it. See you at the top.